Hi, Alafia. Look what I have. It's what is this? It looks like a rocket ship. That's right. It's a rocket ship. A rocket goes into outer space where all the moon and the stars are. Hmm. Do you know who the very first African American woman was to go into space? Oh, that's right. It was Mae Jemison. Mae Jemison was the very first African American woman to go up into outer space. Isn't that cool? Can you imagine going into space? Happy Black History Month!
Let's draw Mae Jemison. Get out your magic crayons and some children's sketchbooks and let's make some art. A drawing of someone is called a portrait. First, we start by drawing some basic shapes like circles and curved lines. This is called a sketch. Then we color it in. Sometimes when we draw, we make mistakes, but that's okay. You can always use an eraser or start again. Always keep trying your best. Practice makes perfect.